How to listen to music offline on eSound. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to listen to music offline on eSound. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To listen music offline on eSound, go ahead and open the eSound application. If you do not have the eSound application, then you can download the eSound application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the application, make sure you are signed in, and now go ahead and search for the music you want to make available offline. You can tap on the search bar you see there to search for the music. Once you have played the music, tap on the two dots you see there on the bottom left of your screen. You will then see the option for download offline. Tap on that and wait for the download to complete. Now, if you tap on the library option on the bottom right of your screen, you will be able to see all the songs that you have downloaded inside the Saved Songs tab. So this is how you can listen to music offline on eSound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.